Hi everyone, today I'm going to share with you how to make a simple and easy face mask. Cut the fabric 32 centimeters by 28 centimeters. Fold it in half and fold it again. Measure 2 centimeters from the bottom and 6 centimeters on the side, and then draw a line. Then measure 5 centimeters and then 5 centimeters again, and then 5 centimeters again going to the middle, and then draw the lines. Then draw a curve, leaving about 5.5 centimeters gap from the bottom. It should look like this, and then cut the fabric. If you want a 3-layered mask, cut another fabric, fold it in half, and then trace the pattern. Open your mask and then fold it again like this, right side facing right side. Then sew the curves. Fold the fabric like this, right side facing right side. Then place your 3rd layer fabric on top. Sew one side and top part of the face mask, leaving one side open. From the opening, turn your face mask right side out. You can also add a casing for your nose wire, like this. Leave one side open first, and then insert the nose wire. And then continue sewing. Fold the sides and then sew it. This will be the casing for our elastics. Cut 2 elastics 22 centimeters or adjust it to your size, and then insert it to the casing on the side. And our face mask is done. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. Bye!